Okay, so we have our cut play, same thing, runner on second base. So we're gonna have a throw to home. But the ball's gonna hit the center field. So anytime the ball's hit the center or right field, our first baseman becomes the cutoff man. So the pitcher again, as you can notice, is backing up home plate. Third baseman's covering his base in this situation. First baseman gets in line with the throw. Catcher's in charge again. Same type of throw that we want, right through this first baseman's head. First baseman gets in front of the mound. And ideally, you want that ball going right through his head. One hop right to the catcher if the catcher asks for it to go all the way through. Notice the second baseman, after making a play in the ball, or trying to make a play in the ball, he's working his way back to first. Again, that's just in case we were to cut it right here, that runner were to get off a little bit too far and stop, we could still throw it and get that guy out. So second baseman has to hustle to get here. Shortstop just takes second base. Everyone has their position. Left fielder, after initially chasing the ball, should actually be making his way back here, just in case we catch redirect and are trying for a pick play there. So